Understanding and mastering the platform's algorithms is crucial for the success of your product launch. With millions of products vying for attention, knowing how to position your listing for maximum visibility and sales is key. At AMZ Product Launcher, we've developed a comprehensive approach to launching products on Amazon that takes into account the intricacies of the platform's algorithms. Here's how you can optimize your launch strategy. Keyword research and optimization. Before you even launch your product, it's essential to conduct thorough keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your target audience is searching for. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your product listing, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in Amazon's search results. High-quality product images and descriptions. Visual appeal plays a significant role in capturing the attention of potential buyers on Amazon. Investing in high-quality product images and writing compelling, informative descriptions can help increase conversions and boost your sales velocity. Utilize AMZ Product Launcher's tools and resources. Our platform offers a range of tools and resources designed to help sellers optimize their product launch strategy. From keyword tracking to competitor analysis, we provide the insights you need to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your sales potential. Launch and promote strategically. Timing is crucial when it comes to launching your product on Amazon. By strategically timing your launch to coincide with peak buying periods and leveraging promotional strategies such as discounts and coupons, you can generate buzz around your product and drive sales from the get-go. Monitor and adapt. Once your product is live on Amazon, it's essential to continually monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. By analyzing data metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and sales velocity, you can identify areas for improvement and refine your strategy over time. Mastering Amazon's algorithms and optimizing your launch strategy is key to achieving success as an Amazon seller. By leveraging the expertise and resources available through AMZ Product Launcher, you can maximize your sales potential and take your e-commerce business to new heights. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.